Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today we are going to see MCQ question of BSc Part First, Sem First, Organic Chemistry, Paper number 2, and this is the Stereochemistry topic. So questions are the based on configuration also RS configuration. So today we are going to see the absolute configuration of the compound. So here one question is given for multiple choice questions. Here 4 structures are given and they ask for the compound having S absolute configuration of the following, and they given 4 options. So here see the structures. Structure first, that is OH, MEH, COH. Here we give the priority, that is OH has highest priority, then COOH, then CS3, then H. So OH become first priority. OH become first priority, then COOH, then third is the Me, that means CS3, and H is the 4. So rotation from 1 to 3, 1, 2, then 3. So here rotation from 1 to 3 is anti-clockwise. So it has anti-clockwise configuration. So here configuration is yes. So here configuration is yes configuration. Because of here we give priority to the group for the numbering. First we have to numbering the compound, and when we give the numbering we have to check priority of this group. So OH is the greater from the COOH, then CS3, then H. So it has the S configuration. Because of here from 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to rotate, that is anti-clockwise direction. So configuration is yes, and priority of group is given on the basis of their hierarchy. So OH is the higher priority than COOH, then CS3, and then H. So OH become at first, then second is COOH, third is Me, and fourth one is the H. So see the next structure, that is, so second structure is ET means CS2 CS3 group. ET means CS2 CS3 group. So here see the priority. Here priority is like Cl, then CS3 CS2, then CS3, and then H. So here higher priority for the Cl. So Cl become at one position, then ET, that is CS3 CS2 group, which is second priority, third priority at the Me group, and fourth at the H group. So when we rotate 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and then 4, here again anti-clockwise Here again anti-clockwise direction. Here again anti-clockwise direction of rotation, that is. So here configuration is, again S configuration. Here again S configuration. Here again we get S configuration, but here fourth priority group, that is least priority group, is hydrogen, and which is on the horizontal line, so the least priority group is hydrogen and which is on the horizontal line. So the configuration is R configuration. So its real configuration is R configuration because of here lowest priority group is on the horizontal line. So here configuration is changed, which is R configuration. So next one is, this is the exceptional case where the least priority group is on horizontal line. So we get the configuration. This configuration change into another configuration because of the presence of least priority group, that is hydrogen, which is present on horizontal line. So here general configuration is yes, but because of presence of lowest priority group, that is hydrogen, which is on horizontal line, so the configuration is changed, which is R configuration. So next one is the ET, that is CH2CH3. So in option number C there is ET group, that is CH2CH3. So priority is COOH, then CHO, then C2H5 and then CH3. So these are the four groups. So first priority is COOH, second is the CHO, third is the ET and fourth one is the Me. So here we rotation like this 1, 2, 3. So this is the clockwise rotation. So R configuration. Here the compound has absolute R configuration. Again here OH first priority, then CHO, then CH2OH, then H. So first, second, third and fourth. Here again 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4. So here again also clockwise rotation. So here again also R configuration of this compound. So here in option there are 3 are the R configuration. 1 D is the R configuration. C is again R configuration. D is the exceptional case, which is also R configuration because of lowest priority group present at the horizontal line. So configuration is R configuration. So option number A is the correct S configuration. So in this question the correct option is option number A, that is which have S configuration because of anti-clockwise rotation in the group. So this has the S configuration. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on Firestone Chemistry.